Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace the display control board on a Rev 2.5 control valve. First thing we'll do is unplug the unit. And there are 4 screws. There are 2 up top and 2 right down here at the bottom. So the first thing we'll do is remove those screws. Now we have the 4 screws removed from the back. This front face plate comes right off. And you've got 1 cable. You can either disconnect the cable from the main control board here or from this display control board right here. So we're just going to go ahead and pop this guy off. Now, if you're replacing the whole face plate with the control board at this point, you just plug the harness back in, put your 4 screws back in, and you're good to go. If you want to go further and actually remove the display from the face plate, there are 2 small screws here and here. Let's try to zoom in on that a little bit better. There you can kind of see them. They're up here in the corners. So we'll remove those. And once those are removed, this whole unit just comes out like this. And that is basically what you have right there. To reinstall it, you're just going to make sure your buttons line up in the holes here. And it's keyed. There's little pins right here. So you just put that back in, lock it in, put your 2 screws back in. We have our 2 screws put back in here now. We'll plug the board back in. Notice that there's a couple of little indentures here that the connector snaps into. Snap the connector in. Put it back up here, and then we'll put our 4 screws back in. Okay, we have our 4 screws reinstalled in the back here. We'll go ahead and plug it in. And there's the display. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.